In this lecture, let's add a slope for the player to walk on. Currently, I'm viewing the map from an aerial view. This is what we have so far. At the moment, the player doesn't have a way to get from the beach to the first ground level. Therefore, they will not be able to reach the cave's entrance. To address this issue, let's add a slope. I'm going to zoom in near the player's location. The slope's location will be near the player. In fact, let's replace the third tile from the right on the bottom row of the second tile map. With the Select tool, select this tile. Next, delete it. For this problem, I've provided a model for creating a slope. In the project, navigate to the Game Assets/Terrain folder. Search for a game object called Ground Grass Slope Tile. Try tackling the solution as an exercise. We've performed this process multiple times. Before drawing this tile onto the tile map, convert it into a prefab. Pause the video and good luck. Welcome back. Let's try adding the slope. Most of the steps will be familiar to you by now. We're going to quickly go through the process. First, let's create a prefab. Grab the Ground Grass Slope tile. Drag the model to the hierarchy. Next, reset the Transform component. Afterward, drag the object into the Tiles folder to convert it into a prefab. Delete the tile from the hierarchy. Next, switch to the Tile Palette window. Under the Cells section, drag the Ground Grass Slope tile prefab into the Game Object field. We're almost finished. The next step is to set the active tile map. Change this option to Ground 1 Tile Map. The last step is to turn on the paintbrush and paint the tile in the empty tile slot. After painting the tile into the correct location, the rotation will be off. We can fix this issue by rotating the object on its y-axis. Select the object with the Select tool. Next, switch to the Inspector window. Set the Y rotation to 180. Awesome! The ramp has been created. Players will be able to walk up the ramp. If we look ahead from the ramp, the cave is aligned with it. If your cave isn't aligned with the ramp, that's perfectly fine. You may have positioned your tiles in different locations. That's not going to change the gameplay. In the next lecture, let's keep working on adding tiles.